Hello guys! In this video, you'll get the exact formula that helped you memorize 50 new foreign words in 30 minutes. I know it sounds too good to be true, but we will go over a list of new vocabulary so you will see how efficient this pattern is. In fact, a lot of our students have doubts that it is possible when I say that they'll learn how to memorize a lot of new words 5 times faster. But when they go over list with me using this simple technique, they of course don't have any hesitation anymore. At the same time, I have to tell you that we need to do exactly as I say it. First of all, we should vividly see the image that I am going to suggest in our mind. Second, we need to pronounce the word in a foreign language out loud with energy. And third, let's go over this list of vocabulary. So you will be able to see with certainty that everything I am promising is possible and in fact, quite easy.
The first word is game. It will be игра in Russian. Sounds similar to word eager. Let's imagine someone who's eager to play a game. It's important to see this image vividly in our mind. Eager to play a game. And let's repeat it out loud with energy. Игра, игра, игра. The next one is side. Сторона. Sounds like store on. We can imagine store on a side in our mind, and again 3 times сторона, сторона, сторона. Then we have number, число. Similar to число, let's imagine число that has some kind of number. Число, number, and 3 times число, число, число. Then we have quantity, количество. Similar to call itchy. When we have a lot of calls, a lot of quantity of them, they become itchy. So call itchy, quantity. Let's say it 3 times. Количество, количество, количество. The next one, decision, решение. Sounds like rush any. The decision was to rush any. It's important to see this image in our mind, and of course, the more unusual the association we will see, the better we'll memorize. So, decision, rush any, and 3 times решение, решение, решение. Then we have region, область. Sounds like oboe last. We can imagine in the region we have oboe last. And 3 times again, область, область, область. The next one, child, ребенок. Similar to ribbon, arc. We can imagine ribbon on a child, and it looks arc. Ribbon, arc, child, 3 times. Ребенок, ребенок, ребенок. Then we have village, село. A little bit similar to sell, right? We can imagine that everybody sells everything in a village. Sell, village. 3 times. Село, село, село. The next one, song, песня. Sounds like peace now. Of course, we need to adjust it a little bit. And we can imagine that someone, after a fight, decided to have peace now and sings a song. So, song, peace now, песня, песня, песня. Then we have member, член. Similar to a word, chill. We can imagine that some kind of group has a chill member. Член, член, член. And the next one, earth, земля. Sounds like земля. We need to imagine that in one association, земля, earth, земля, земля, земля.
Okay, using this method, you can memorize over 50 new words in less than 30 minutes and remember them forever. Now, we will see how many words you can translate from English to Russian. If you vividly imagined the associations and pronounced the words out loud 3 times, highly likely you remember all of them. You'll have 2 seconds to translate each word. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with the word game. Remember the association. Eager to play a game. Игра, игра, игра. Side. Remember, store on. Сторона, сторона, сторона. Number. Число. Число, число, число. Quantity. Количи. Количество, количество, количество. Decision. Rash any. Решение, решение, решение. Region. Oboe last. Область, область, область. Child. Ribbon arc. Ребенок, ребенок, ребенок. Village. Cell. Село, село, село. Song. Peace now. Песня, песня, песня. Member. Chill. Член, член, член. Earth. Земля. Земля, земля, земля.
Write in the comments how many words from the list you can translate. In less than 4 minutes, we've memorized over 10 words. You can add to the list words from other videos on this channel, including words in different languages. Also, if you want to get access to the full language program with vocabulary and get all the tools that help you build sentences, speak and understand a foreign language way faster, click the link below and choose time for your trial lesson. Our team will walk you through all the way from your current level to the level where you want to be. That's it from me today. Wish you all the best. Bye.